Hello, I'm Sergej from Trezor Support. Today, we're going to talk about what to do if you forget your PIN on the Trezor Safe 5. Before we dive in, here's the most important thing to remember. The true key to your wallet is your wallet backup, also known as your recovery seed. This is a list of 12, 20, or 24 precious words you recorded when setting up your Trezor. This backup is your only way to access your funds on the blockchain, even if you lose or reset your device. So, make sure it's secure and within reach before moving on. To reset your device and set a new PIN, you'll need to enter Bootloader mode. Here's how to do it on the Trezor Safe 5. First, open Trezor Suite on your computer, the all-in-one companion app for managing your Trezor device. Next, connect your Trezor to your computer while swiping your finger across the touchscreen. This initiates Bootloader mode. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, where you'll see the option to perform a factory reset. This is a critical step. The reset will permanently erase your recovery seed, firmware, and all data from your device. Make absolutely sure you have your wallet backup, also known as your recovery seed, securely stored before proceeding. If you're ready, tap Reset to confirm and finalize the factory reset. After confirming, the device will reset to its factory state. You can now set up your Trezor from scratch or restore your wallet using your wallet backup. In summary, forgetting your PIN doesn't mean losing access to your funds. As long as you have your wallet backup securely stored, the PIN protects your physical device, while your coins stay secure on the blockchain. And remember, Trezor Support is always here if you need us. Thanks for watching.